Doing a repair job and re-roof. The wind blew off a big section of a flat roof, so we're going to tarp it while the insurance company comes out, takes a look, and then re-roof the whole thing once we get the insurance settled. This is the house, and we just put up a big tarp, a couple of sections to make sure that it's secure for the rain until the repairs get done, until the roof actually gets redone. And we strapped it around the chimney so that we minimized any leaks, and then we had a second tarp underneath and then sealed with tape all around the edges too. So hopefully that will deter all the rain from getting in until we get the job done.